Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe and good. Now we are going to start our online teaching and today's today we are going to study Vishta's first chapter, that is third level, and the author is Jack Finney. Jack Finney is an American author and he mostly writes stories of thrills and thrillers. Okay, and the story is about the year 1950 when World War One and World War Two was over, just completed World War One and Two. Okay, this chapter is too much complex chapter. Students, you have to understand the chapter very properly. Okay, now I am going to introduce the main characters of the story. Okay, story is good, you will like the story, but it is little bit complex. There are mainly three characters in the story. The first is Charlie. Charlie is 31 years old. The second is Lucia. Lucia is Charlie's wife. And the third is Sam, the friend of Charlie, and he is a psychiatrist. Okay, okay friends, today see I am going to give you some keywords that will help for your exam, and if you use these keywords in your answer sheet, that will impact a good impression on your paper checker, and it beautifies your answer. Okay, duct means sink or lower. Okay, corridor means the passage in a hotel. Passage means anywhere passage, your building passage or any passage. Then it's got eye shade यानी sunglass दो to protect our eyes. Flicker यानी quick movement, and envelope means wrapper. Okay, now I am going to write some more hard work. Now student, can you see it's a premium means installment. If you have taken any premium or any loan, so you have to pay installment. Okay, it's installment. First day cover in envelope that a stamp collector mails to him. ठीक है. Psychiatrist means a treatment of mental illness. You remember the Charlie's friends is by profession, he is a doctor. He treats mental illness patients. Now students, I am going to share you the summary of this chapter. You can see Charlie works in an office. He works for a whole night, and he wants to go home as soon as possible because he misses his wife a lot. He loves his wife Lucia very much. So he thought that I want to go home early as possible. So he has an idea that if I go by train, so I can reach to my home as soon as possible. Then he went to railway station, that is New York Grand Central Railway Station. The station is having only 2 levels. Okay, the station is having only 2 levels. Charlie went to level 1 and he saw the train left. Okay, then he went to level 2. Then the same thing happens that train left from station, and from he observed that level first and level second, the people were moving, and the people he observed were like as them. Okay, their wearing styles, their movements, everything are the same as Charlie's. But now he is in the dilemma and he want to reach home fast. Now students, now what happened, as he is in a rush, so he was in that mindset that he want to reach home as soon as possible, and he was in that mindset that in the railway station the work was everyday work. The railway station works are in progress, so he might in that impression that in railway station the work is going on. So maybe he went to the third level. He reached to the third level, but he felt that the people are different from level 1 and 2. The people uh, the clothes that they are wearing is very different types of old type, ancient type of people are there, and they are wearing old type of clothes. And maybe he thought the small, and in that railway station small rooms are there. He saw one wooden notice board also there, and one new and he saw one newspaper. That is, the name of the newspaper is The World, the one time uh, favorite popular newspaper, The World. And he saw the date on the newspaper is 11 June 1894, the famous newspaper from the past. Okay, and now friends, what happened? Charlie went to the level 3rd, and he saw so many new different things from level 1 and 2. He saw different types of people, different ancient type of people, some wooden uh, notice boards, small rooms. And while going to the ticket booth, he saw so many different types of people are wearing different types of clothes. They are having different types of mustaches and everything. Charlie reaches to the ticket booth, ticket window. Now Charlie went to the ticket window, and he says, "Okay, I want a ticket to Galesburg place." And he is at the place is that he want to go with his wife for the leisure time. Okay, then he wants to go to that place, and he is giving them the recent this period, in which period they are living, that period time money. But the ticket counter said, okay, the man is giving me fake money. Then he is telling, okay, I am going to call police. And Charlie thought, okay, I am going to arrest. So he ran away. Now friends, what happened? Now Charlie is having a dream place. He wants to go with his beautiful wife Lucia, and he want, as her grandfather also lived there, that is the place is very silent and near to nature. So Charlie want to spend some time in at that place, as a Galesburg. Okay, so and he thought that only I can go to that place with the 3rd level. So he went to the bank and convert his $300 into old currency. In spite of his $300, he got only $200, and his friends all are also in little bit worry what Charlie is doing. But he want to go to that place with his wife. He want to go to the nature place. Okay, his friends are worried that Charlie has to pay his premium of $300. Now what will Charlie do? But and he took the money, and he went to the Grand Central station, railway station. And he when he went to the 3rd Grand Central station, he is searching for the 3rd level, but he didn't get any 3rd level over there. Now student, with that 3rd level experience, Charlie went to his friend Sam. He is a psychiatrist, and he explains his 3rd level experience with him. And Sam said, not to worry, it's an illusion. Sam is telling Charlie that not to worry, it is an illusion. In this modern type of world, people are having so much of tension, fear, sense of insecurity. The people are living in materialistic life, so they are not happy. For that happiness, they choose some unreal things. Okay, so maybe you are in that level. Now friends, Sam said to Charlie about giving him the advice and telling him, Sam said Charlie about stamp collection. With the help of it, people are running from their reality world. But he has given the example, but Charlie is not agree. He was disagree with the Sam's statement. Charlie said that American president is also used to collect stamps, and he was very happy, and he was the winner of the World War II. And Charlie's grandfather also collect the stamps, and while collecting the stamp he was very happy. He feels very happy while collecting the different types of. Then what happened, students? With the sad face, Charlie went back to home, and when he came to home, he come to know that Sam was also missing from so many days. So he and his wife Lucia went to find Sam, but they failed in that. Then what happened, kids? After some days, Charlie was watching his and his grandfather's stamp collection. So while he was watching the stamp collection of his grandfather and he got a letter from his friend Sam, and the letter was also for his grandfather also. So while reading the letter, he come to know that Sam was gone to Galesburg, and Sam has invited Charlie and his wife to the Galesburg. Okay, and with that, Charlie came to know that after some days, Charlie came to know that before going Galesburg, Sam has also converted his $800 into old ancient money. So student, after watching this video, and the chapter is we conclude the chapter with this chapter is an illusionary chapter, and don't know third level is there or not, what